from R.D. Sharma, class 8 mathematics. We'll start new chapter, that is 6 algebraic expressions and identity. Now we'll see the basic definition. Okay, first one, it is that constant, a symbol having a fixed numerical value, is called constant. Now if you have x plus 4, so this is called constant. Okay, now if variable, another definition is variable, a symbol which take various numerical value is called a variable. Various numerical value. Now if you have 2a plus b, now this a is variable and b is also variable. Another definition is algebraic expression. Now to whom we can say that it is algebraic expression. So a combination of constant and a variable connected by the sign of fundamental operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. Now all this I'll give you different example as 2a plus b, this is addition. Now 2a minus b, this is subtraction. 2a multiplied by b, multiplication, and 2a divided by b. So all have their expression. Terms, various part of an algebraic expression which are separated by the sign of plus or minus are called the terms of expression. Now your expression is given that 2x square minus 3xy plus 5y square. Now your constant term is not there. Variable is x, y, x square, xy square variable. Now what is called term? Now this 2x, single 2x is called term. Minus 3xy is also called term. Plus 5y square is also called term. So how many terms are there in this expression? 3 terms, which is 2x square, comma, minus 3xy, comma, plus 5y square. If you didn't write this plus, it's okay. Both are same. So 5y square. Monomial, an algebraic expression containing only one term, is called monomial. One term means you can say if it is x square or y square or 2x square. These are called only one term. Here example is given: minus 5 3y, 7xy, 2 by 3x square y z, 5 by 3 a square b, c cube, etc. are the monomial. Now binomial, an algebraic expression contain two term. If that is contain two term is called binomial. Here monomial means one term, binomial means it contain two term. So for example 2x minus 3, this is two term, 1 and 2. Okay, so they are binomial. This is also binomial. 3x plus 2y, xyz minus 5, etc. are the binomial. Now what is called trinomial? An algebraic expression containing three terms is called trinomial. Now three terms as x plus y minus 7. So this is three term. X plus y plus minus 7 is x is first, y is second, and minus 7 is third. So three term are there. So we can say that it is trinomial. For the one term monomial, for these two term binomial, and for the three term trinomial. Coefficient, in a term of an algebraic expression, any of the factor with the sign of the term is called coefficient of the product of the other factor. For example, here one term is given, that minus x minus 5xy. The coefficient of x is minus 5y. Now see, for example, if I will take x, so the coefficient of 5x is only 5. 5 is the coefficient. Okay, the coefficient of x is 5. Now, and if you had given like this way minus xy, and if you had asked the write the coefficient of x, so you have to write minus 5y. If you had asked that we have to write the coefficient of y, so your coefficient is minus 5x. Constant term. A term of the expression having no literal factor is called a constant term. Now here you had given a example, that is x square minus xy plus yz minus 4. Here which one is the constant term? This minus 4. Okay, without variable, that is called constant term. Now like and unlike term. The term having the same literal factor are called like or similar term, otherwise they are called unlike. Now if you had given that 2a and 5a, so here variable are same, so this we can say they are like term. And another example, if you had given 7ab and 5b, so these variable are not same because here it is a b and here it is only b, so they are unlike term. Okay, let us see with an exercise 6.1. Identify the term, their coefficient for each of the following expression. First of all, we have to find the term, then we have to identify the coefficient. Let us do that. Now here we have to find out the terms and their coefficient. So first one, 7x square yz minus 5xy. Now how many terms? 2 terms. So 7x square yz and minus 5xy, 2 terms, and their coefficient we have to write. So coefficient of 7x square yz is 7, and here coefficient is minus 5. Now third one, 3x square y square minus 5x square y square z square plus z square. Now term is 3 terms, 3x square y square comma minus 5x square y square z square comma and z square. Now here what is the coefficient? 3, here minus 5, and here nothing means 1, so 1 is the coefficient. Now fifth one, a upon 2 plus b upon 2 minus ab. So first coefficient is first term is a by 2 comma b by 2 comma minus a b, and then coefficient is a by 2 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, here b by 2 1 by 2, and minus ab means minus 1. Now sixth one, 0.2x minus 0.3x y plus 0.5 y. So here term is 3 terms, 0.2x minus 0.3x y comma and 0.5 y. Now coefficient is 0.2 minus 0.3 and 0.5. Question number 2. Classify the following polynomials as monomial, binomial, trinomial. Which polynomial do not fit in any category? First of all, we'll see which is monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay. Now see, first one, x plus y. Both the variables are different, right? So 1 and 2. So it is binomial. 1000 is monomial. The one, x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4, that is none of this. Fourth one, 7 plus a plus 5b, 1 2 3 term are there, so what it is? Trinomial. 1 and 2 term is there, so it is binomial. 1, 2 and 3. 3 terms are there. So it is trinomial. 5x minus 4y plus 3x. So it is 5x minus 4y plus 3x. So we can plus this, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will 8x minus 4y. If it is like term, you have to plus it. Okay. So x and x is like term. So 8x minus 4y. So it is binomial. Here 4a minus 15a square. So this is binomial. xy plus yz plus zt plus tx. So none of this. pqr 1. So it is monomial. p square q plus pq square. It is binomial. And 2p plus 2q. So that is binomial. Repeating that if one term is there, then it is monomial. If two term, then binomial. And if three term, then it is trinomial. And more than three term, then it is none of this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there, so none of this. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there, so none of this, because it is not indicated. We have to write that only we have to indicate monomial, binomial and trinomial. Thank you for watching this video.